We've been in the channel for quite a while. I think we're over 20 years in the channel now. And we do everything from strategic alliance partners to value-added resellers. We work with distribution, MSPs, MSSPs. So if you can think of an acronym, we probably work with them. So I oversee our global program, so that's everything from our partner program to how our contracts work to pricing strategies, all of that, as well as enablement. So when a partner comes on board, how do we get them up and running faster? What kind of tools do they need to be successful, and everything in between? When we use the segmentation within Impartner, it's for several reasons. One is obviously we're international, so it's really important to get the right experience for the right geography. So we segment our partners by location. And then also within our partner type. So the content that's important for our strategic alliance partners isn't necessarily the same content that's important for our value-added resellers or our distributors. So we segment by each of those categories to make sure that the experience is appropriate for each audience. If they want to do a deal registration, super easy. You just one click, enter the required information. It comes through to our system through an automated workflow that allows our teams to go review it and approve it. And then they get the notification immediately whether it was approved or denied, and then we continue to work the deal forward from that point forward with the partner. So we actually integrate with Salesforce, which is our primary CRM platform. It allows us to take all of the data and the information of what partners are doing within Impartner, whether it's deal registration, whether it's marketing campaigns, and actually sync that with what's going on in Salesforce. So if we're working a deal together, we can actually pass that data freely between our partners and us, between the two platforms, so you get full visibility between what's going on internally at Proofpoint along with what's going on with the partner in their environment. We actually have several single sign-on functions set up within Impartner. So we have it where it connects to our LMS system. So when a partner comes in, they can go directly to our LMS system and do all the requirements from the program, as well as additional product training and business training and all of that. We also leverage it to give visibility to our different products so that they can do on-demand demos within the Partner Hub. So if there's a certain product that they need to go and do a demo for one of their customers, rather than having to set up an instance within their own environments, they simply log into the Partner Hub, again, click one button that takes them to that platform, and they can run a live demo with dummy data pre-built for them. One of the biggest pieces of feedback that we've gotten is around the launch of the Compliance Manager. We just did that last year, and my goal was, again, to create this sort of frequent flyer mile type of experience. If I'm an American customer, so when I go in, I can log into my app, I can see where I am now, what the benefits are associated with that, but I can also see exactly what I need to do to get to the next level. And I think that's something that's an expectation with any program that you're a part of in today's world. And being able to launch the Compliance Manager in a way where our customers or our partners are actually getting that experience, they've really given us positive feedback around it, and we've seen an uptick in how quickly they progress through the levels by giving them that visibility. There's several times that Impartner specifically saves us time. Deal reg, for one, is a huge saver. If you didn't have a tool like this, you would be emailing back and forth, which is a time suck. You would lose things within that sort of whole transition. The other part that it saves us time with is really the back-end reporting around our partner levels. So having instant visibility into what level somebody is, it automating either upgrading or downgrading levels for us. You don't realize how much time that takes when you're doing it manually until you automate that process. And something that could have taken 1 to 2 weeks to true up at the end of the year is now done automatically without anybody having to touch it. So when I think about my favorite thing about working with Impartner, it's really creating a seamless experience for our customers. So I mean, everybody knows, everybody has a tool. Everybody has something that they give their partners to, but a tool is only as good as how it's set up. It could be the greatest tool in the world, but if you don't invest the time and effort into making the experience what somebody wants, then you're not gonna see the results that you wanna see. So being able to actually go in, dive in, see how we can expand the functionality that we currently have and create a better experience for our customers is by far my favorite thing. The team we've been given has just been phenomenal. They're always looking for ways that we can improve and do more things together. I also think that Impartner is really good about thinking of what's next. So what's next for your program, what's next for the platform, and then how they can enable us to do better.